Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Hope you all are doing good. So in this video, I'm showing you an interesting thing, which is how to say Wi-Fi password on Android. For this, first of all, go for your settings. Then go for network and internet. Go for your Wi-Fi connection. Then go for your QR code or share. Then you can see I have already see this password here, but maybe you can't see this password here. For this, just take a screenshot of this QR code. Okay, then go for edit. Okay, and crop this QR code only. Okay, then save copy. Wait for it. Then now go for your any browser, Google browser. So I'm using Chrome here. Then search for Zingog. Okay, then you can see this is the page. Now in this choose file, tap on it and choose your that QR code from your okay, fine, just go again on file. Then if I go for my photos, screenshots, and then tap on submit, and you can see this is the password of my Wi-Fi. If you see this one and okay, this one, if I go for my Wi-Fi connection and password, you can see these all two are same or both are same. So yeah, this is how you can see so easily Wi-Fi password on Android. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.